Hello my dear friends, you're in the VoiceCoding channel. For basics of the Dragon vocabulary, please watch our previous video, Voice Coding for LLM Prompting. You'll find a link in the description. First, we'll show some additional examples for using prefixes to our advantages. Open Vocabulary Editor. You can use prefixes to improve the recognition of terms in foreign languages, like for example, in case you don't know, this is a humorous German slang for bicycle. Let's say you will use this word quite often while dictating English texts, so you want to make it available in the Dragon vocabulary. The easiest way to do this is a prefix. So we'll add this word with a spoken form of So from then on, whenever you say German bicycle, it will be replaced by Drahtesel. The prefix principle can be applied to other languages. You might have already guessed it, that's a Spanish term for algorithm. So let's add this one too. So like for the German term, from now on, whenever you say Spanish algorithm, it will be replaced by algoritmo. Let's test these now. German bicycle, new line. Spanish algorithm, new line. But how can you prevent this automatic replacement when you really want to type Spanish algorithm? You have to make a pause after the first and the second term. We prefer the Spanish algorithm, new line. Most of the terms come with a predefined capitalization. To modify this, you can use the cap or no caps prefixes. These are always available. Besides, when you prefix a macro name with cap or no caps, it is not executed. Instead, the macro name is written. Cap, open vocabulary editor, new line. Naturally, you can use these prefixes for normal text too, like I am going in the no caps western direction, new line. There are some more prefixes which you can use to your advantage. No space writes the following word without a leading space. This is useful for email addresses, URLs or programming terms. All caps capitalizes the next word. No caps forces lowercase on the next word. Dragon prefixes also can be combined like cap camel, no space, cap case, new line. You can improve the recognition after a long pause by prefixing your sentences with no space. This kind of warms up the recognition engine and is especially helpful with wireless headsets. No space, this improves recognition quality, new line. There are some slightly problematic prefixes. They trigger specific modes for all spoken words. Capitalizes all following words until turned off. Turns off capitalization. Turns on capitalization until turned off. And turns capitalization off. And there is a specific phrase I often fall for. Let's say you want to write the sentence Cap some AI is problematic. New line. As you can see, Dragon now writes something different. It removes the first word and capitalizes the following ones. The problem is that it recognizes cap some as caps on. You can fix this by waiting a little bit after saying cap. Some AI is problematic. That's all for this video. Let me know about your questions or suggestions. Thank you for watching. Put your likes, subscribe to my channel, and have a good day.